Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting an image ready and into Midjourney. Upload a clear photo to Discord and copy its URL. This gives Midjourney a reliable visual reference. Once done, type /imagine and paste that URL first, then add your text prompt describing style, subject, and mood. Make sure to include size or aspect ratio if you need it. Midjourney reads the image plus prompt together. This first step sets the visual direction, so be precise and start with the URL before any descriptive words. Now refine how Midjourney interprets your image. Place the URL first, then a focused prompt explaining what to change or enhance. Add parameters such as R for aspect ratio and V for version. These change composition and style. For balanced influence, append IO0. 5 to lower image dominance or raise it to emphasize the photo. Once you test variants, iterate by tweaking adjectives and parameters. Make sure to run multiple seeds and compare outputs to choose the strongest direction. Finish by selecting the best thumbnail and using the U buttons to upscale or the V buttons to create close variants. That finalizes quality. If the output doesn't match expectations, make sure to reduce the image weight or simplify conflicting adjectives, then try again. For consistent outcomes, add seed to lock randomness. Once done, export the upscaled image from the bot. If things still go wrong, re-upload a cleaner reference and iterate with smaller prompt changes to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.